Hello.
Honey, I was from another class before you. Yeah.
Yeah,
Honey, can I go
yeah.
to the toilet? I am
Yes,
really
of course.
yeah, I really want to go to the toilet. Wait for me.
Okay.
Thank you so much, honey, for waiting.
Yeah.
Yes. How are you today, honey?
Very good.
Very good. Me, I just recovered from being sick yesterday, honey.
Oh, sick? You were sick?
I think it's a fever or like a flu, something like that.
Flu?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You okay now?
I'm okay now. Actually, I took a bath 2 hours ago.
Oh.
I am really, really okay now. I think so.
Yeah. Yeah.
I, how are you? I asked you already. Did you go outside today?
No. Later I'm just going to the center to learn.
How about
But
you? Are you feeling okay? Your voice is kind of different.
I'm feeling good. Everything
Oh,
is good.
I thought you have a cold because of your cold.
Mm,
I mean, because of your voice. Okay.
yeah.
So yeah, later on you will have the chance to go to the how do I say this? To the um ah, I mental black Tony center English
Yeah.
center. Okay,
Yes.
is that tiring, honey? Does it make you tired or no?
Mm, I think yes, it's hard.
Sometimes that's normal.
Yeah.
That's normal to be tired at times. Well, that's
Yeah.
okay. Yes. How's the weather today, my dear?
It's hard. It's usually hard. No, it's hard in the morning and cold in the evening.
It's hot. It's hot. Okay. Cold in the evening. Really? I think
Yeah.
it also gets yeah, it also gets cold in Ho Chi Minh. Yeah, also here, honey. I think because the summer season is approaching, every night, honey, it's very or every evening it's really, really cold here. But in the
Yeah.
morning up until afternoon, oh my goodness, it's so hot. Yeah.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah.
So anyway, are we going to have the lesson now?
Yeah. Okay, I think so.
You can oh but you can you can add up some, we can talk and have the lesson. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Your voice is really different, honey. I really thought you have a
I'm
cold.
different. I'm not sure. I'm very sure.
But you're very fine, right? You're sure that
Um.
you're so fine. Yeah, because your voice is kind of
mm,
different. Or maybe because
I don't know.
or maybe your voice changed because of your AirPods. Yeah, that's why.
Maybe.
Maybe. It's kind of your voice is kind of how do I explain this?
Uh.
It's kind of it's kind of it's really different, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, honey. We are now going to have this one. You are going to ask questions again and then answer the questions again by your own. And before that, you're going to read what's written in the prompt card. Okay, let's start reading the prompt card, Louise.
Okay. It says football lessons. It's open on Tuesday and Fridays for players are 12 to 16 years old. It's 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. It's £3 for one person. Must wear the football boots, not not sports center.
Yes. Honey, I know that football is a very popular sport in your country, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to ask you, are there also academies or centers that offers football lessons there?
Yes. It's hard.
Really? Oh, really? Have you ever tried going to?
No, I'm trying basketball. I'm just trying.
Basketball. Just basketball. Just basketball lessons, honey.
Yeah.
Ooh. And you're still doing it up until right now, right? You're still doing it?
Yes, I love basketball.
What day? What day do you usually? Yeah.
Tuesday, Friday. No, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Thursday, Tuesday and Thursday.
Whoa.
Oh.
Wow. And
yeah,
I think you enjoy it. I think you enjoy it because you love basketball. Okay.
Yeah.
You're such a that's why you're so good in playing basketball because you really have lessons about it. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's have question number 1, honey. Please make the question for number 1.
Okay. It says, where is the football lesson?
Or where will be? Yeah, because this one is we're not talking about a place, honey, but we're talking about lessons. So where will be the football lessons?
Okay.
Yes. 2.
When the football lesson start?
When will the football
lesson start?
Okay. Next one, number 3.
3 is the football lesson for adults.
Okay. 4.
For adult.
Oh, yeah, for adult. Sorry. Yes. 4. How much?
How much is the football lesson cost?
How much does the
football lesson cost?
Okay. 5.
What time will it start?
Okay. All right. What time will it start? Or what time will the football lesson start? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, honey. Now let's answer your questions. Wait for a while. Let me just wipe my glasses.
Thanks.
Okay. Question number 1. Where will be the football lessons?
The football lesson is in the North Road Sports Center.
Will be. Will
Will
be in the
North Road Sports Center.
2. When will the football lesson start?
It start when? It start in Tuesday and Friday.
In or on?
On.
Yes. It starts.
On.
Oh, honey, just Tuesday. Just Tuesday. It starts on
Tuesday.
Tuesday, honey. Yes. It
Friday.
starts on Tuesday.
Fridays.
Is the football lesson for adult?
No, it's for children.
No.
From 12 to 16.
12 for players.
Player
For
from
players
12
12 to 16 years old. Okay, next. How much does the football lesson cost?
The football lesson cost is £3.
Costs £3.
Pounds.
What time will the football lesson start?
It starts at 6 p.m. to 8 p.m.
It starts at, honey, it's just asking about when does it start. So let's just have 6 p.m. Yeah. 8 p.m. is when it ends. So let's just have 6 p.m., okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let's have your answer, Sunny. Let's start. Oh, wait for a while.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, number 1. Where will be the football lessons?
The football lesson will be in the North Road Sports Center.
2. When will the football lesson start?
It starts on Tuesday.
Is the football lesson for adult?
No, it is for children, for players from 12 to 16.
Okay. How much does the football lesson cost?
The football lesson costs £3.
Very good. 5. What time will the football lesson start?
The football lesson The football lesson costs. Oh no, I'm sorry. It starts at 6 p.m.
Yes. Oh no. No, I'm sorry, honey.
Huh?
3.
Number
Is the
3.
football lesson for the adult?
No, it is for children, for players from 12 to 16.
Very good. 5. What time will the football lesson start?
The football lesson costs. It starts at 6 p.m.
No. I am also confused with my questions. How much does the football lesson cost, honey?
The football lesson costs £3.
Okay. Last question. What time will the football lesson start?
The football lesson starts at 6 p.m.
Very good. Okay. Thank you so much, honey. Wait for a while. Okay. Now let's have the last one, honey. Okay.
I think it's more hard.
It's harder.
Maybe, I'm not sure.
Maybe you're just intimidated, honey, because of the picture.
Yeah.
Okay, please read the prompt card, honey. Kindly read what's written in the prompt card.
Okay.
Yes.
Sailing school at Blue Water Lake. Learn to sail is easy and fun. Class for adults and children. 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. every Saturday. 25 for one person.
Yes, honey, what is sailing? What is sailing?
Sailing like it's like driving a boat.
Oh, yes. Okay, very good, honey. Would you like to experience that, honey? Or have you
Mm,
ever tried that before?
I have tried that.
You have tried that before?
Yeah.
Whoa! Wow, that's so
Yeah.
wow.
When I was a child, my dad is a seller, and
Yes,
I have
yes,
gone to his
yes.
boat, and I
Mm,
have like me and Cookie are only the children in the boat in that
mm,
day.
mm.
So yeah, like my dad
Mm.
allowed me to try to drive the boat. Yeah.
Oh. And how was your experience, Luis? Was it nice? Was it a nice experience for you?
I don't know because it's
You
when
were
I
still a
was
kid.
very young. Yeah, when I was a young boy, very
Yeah.
like 4 or 5 years old.
Ah, so you actually didn't have the opportunity to remember
Yeah,
everything.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, honey, thank you so much for sharing that. You were still a yes, okay. But would you like to experience that again in the
Mm,
future?
if I can, I would try it again.
Yes. Okay. Well, that's so great to hear, honey. Okay, me, I haven't really experienced it, but I think I am going to experience it maybe in the future.
Yeah, when you're very rich.
Yeah, why not, right? Or
Yes.
maybe someone will treat me for a sailing activity.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, maybe.
Maybe your
Okay.
uncle.
Maybe my uncle, maybe my aunt, maybe a friend. Yes.
Yeah, I know your uncle is the seller too.
Seaman.
Iman?
A seaman?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
And the
Sailor.
seller?
Sailor. Yeah, yes, yeah. Sailor. Sailor or seaman. Maybe, but I think, honey, that's impossible because he works for a company and family members aren't allowed to go there. So I think that wouldn't be that wouldn't be possible. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's move forward to making some questions anyway for a while.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I am inputting your attendance, honey. I mean your name in the timetable. So I won't forget. Okay. All right. So now let's have question number 1, Luis. Let's start with question number 1.
Where is this question?
Here. Where?
Where is the sailing school?
2.
Number 2 is how much does the sailing school cost?
Or the sailing lesson, honey.
Sailing lesson
Yeah.
cost.
Yes, because if you're going to say, how much does the sailing school? So are we going to buy the sailing school? No. We're going to avail for the lesson. So how much does the sailing lesson cost?
Cost?
Yeah, cost.
Cost. Okay, cost.
Yeah. Next, when?
When is the sailing school will start?
When will the sailing
Well,
sailing
the
sailing
sailing
lesson start?
sailing lesson start.
4.
Four is it is difficult to learn how to sailing a boat.
Is it yes? Or you say, honey, is it difficult
Mm, difficult
to learn
to learn
how
how
to
to
sail a boat?
Okay.
Again, honey, please read number 4. Is
Mm,
it difficult
number
to
4
learn?
is it is difficult to learn how to sail a boat.
Very good. 5.
Number 5 is it is have for children lessons.
Is it
It is have
it
for the children lesson.
is it children or is it children's lessons?
Is it a
No, 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 no.
is this for
No. Is it for the children's lesson? No, 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 no. Definitely not.
Mhm.
Is it children's lesson? Is it children's lesson?
Huh?
Because we have the possessive noun here, honey. Yeah, the apostrophe and the S. Children's lessons. Is it children's lessons? No. Is it for children's lesson?
I think it have for children lesson.
Is it for children lesson? Okay. Well, okay. Now let's have question number 1, honey. Number 1. Where is the sailing school?
Where is the sailing school? The sailing school is at the Blue Water Lake.
Okay, the sailing school is at the
Blue Water Lake.
water lake. Okay, next. How much does the sailing lesson cost?
The sailing lesson cost. The sailing lesson cost £20 for one person.
Yes. Okay. The sailing lesson cost. Costs 20.
When
When will the sailing lesson start?
the sailing lesson start at every Saturday.
Okay. Very good. Hold on. Wait.
Hang on.
Lesson starts.
Start.
Every. Are we talking about the time, honey? Or every 2 to okay. Every 2 p.m.
Every 2 p.m.
on Saturday. On Saturday. Okay, next. Is it difficult to learn how to sail a boat?
No. It's easy and fun.
Okay, hold on. Wait for a while, honey. My other student says she cannot have the class. Wait for a while.
Okay, it's okay.
Yes. Oh, because my other student is sick, honey. Yes. Oh, okay. All right. Next one. Number 4. Is it difficult to learn how to sail a boat?
No, it's very easy and fun.
It is
Easy and fun.
very easy and fun
Very
to
easy
learn.
and Hmm?
To learn. Let's
To learn
yeah, let's make
how
it
to how
yes. Next. Is it for children's lesson?
um yes. No, yes, the class is for adult and children.
Okay, honey. The question is mainly focusing for the children, so you can say
Uh,
no. It is both for
it is both for
the adults and
no, it's
children.
for no, it is for adult and children.
Yes. Okay. Let's read your answer. Number 1. Where is the sailing school?
The sailing school is at the Blue Water Lake.
Okay. Next. How much does the sailing lesson cost?
The sailing lesson cost how the sailing lesson costs £20 for per person.
When will the sailing lesson start?
The sailing lessons start at 2 p.m. on Saturday.
Is it difficult to learn how to sail a boat?
No, it is very easy and fun.
To learn how to?
It's how to sailing a boat.
How to sail a boat.
Sail a boat.
Yes, not sailing a boat, honey. How to
Okay.
sail a boat. Okay. 5. Is it for children's lesson?
No, it's called for adult and children.
Very good. Okay, so that is it, honey. The time. Okay, this one is already done. Yes, it
No,
ended already. So now, honey, we are going to have
another
this
book.
one. Yes, another book. This is the Cat 2. Okay. So anyway, honey, this one is actually we are actually almost done with this book or with this material, with all of
Okay.
the material. So after this,
Yes.
we're going to have new one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
It's okay.
what is the picture all about, Louise?
It's about a school.
Very good. Now tell me about your school.
Mm, I think my school is very big. It's have a lot of things. That it's have a lot of all of things I need,
Oh.
and the teacher is teaching me a lot of things too
Mm,
about math, about literary,
mm, mm,
geography, history, and more and more.
very good.
I very love my school,
You
and
really love your school.
I'm,
What's your favorite thing about your school?
my favorite thing on my school is canteen, or maybe the computer rooms.
I see. But how about like do you feel motivated in going to school?
Uh,
Do you
motivated
feel
is what is it?
motivated? Like I mean, motivated means do you feel excited every time you wake up to go to school?
No, sometimes
Why? Why do you feel, not so excited?
because I would get up early. I don't like it.
Because I don't like getting up early. Can you say that?
Yes, I don't like get up early.
Getting up.
Getting
Getting
up
up early.
because I don't like getting up early.
Very good. Okay. But what
Okay.
makes you excited to go to school, Louise?
Huh?
What makes you excited to go to school?
Because maybe my friends.
Very good. That's what I'm thinking. Because of your friends, of
Uh,
course. Okay, so let's have this one, honey. Let's have the brainstorming. You're going to answer these following questions. Let's start with question number 1. What is the name of your school, if it's okay to say it?
okay. My school name is Nguyễn Hữu Thọ Secondary School.
Mhm. Where
Okay.
is it?
It's in Ho Chi Minh City and in District 7.
What is the type of your school? Is it a private school or a public school?
This is the secondary school.
I mean, is it a private school, honey? Or a public school? A public school is a school that is owned by the government.
What is
Private,
by the government?
honey, this one, I'm going to translate it, okay?
Okay.
Public school is this.
I'm
Trường
not
công lập,
sure. Yes, it
Private
is a
school.
public school.
Oh, okay. Private school is,
trường tư thục,
This is, I think it's public school.
do you need to pay for it?
Yes.
Oh. Well, I think public schools are free. So I think yours is private because you have to pay something.
I have pay. It's not free.
Oh, so I think it's private, honey. Does someone
No.
own that school?
No,
Is there
it's
someone that owns the school or the government owns your school?
this is a public school, but the public school in Vietnam, we have paid for like we have paid to everyone. Yeah, so I want to say like the public school in Vietnam we have paid for learning, paid for eating and something.
Oh, wow. That's so cool, honey. I really thought it's free for everything. Like you don't need
No.
to pay. Here, honey, it's free. Public schools are free.
No.
Parents don't need to pay for anything. Yes.
No, I want it free and one is free, but it's not free. It's that we need to pay for learning.
Yes, I understand that. Okay, what is it like? You have to describe how it looks like, honey.
It's have a yellow, like the wall of them, all of them is yellow. Yeah, everything in my school is very good. Learning, teaching, and all of them are very new. We
Oh,
like, yeah, very big and new. I really like it.
Oh, I see, honey. So, do you mean to say your school is new, honey? It's a new school?
It's not very a new school, but like we are like build again the school.
Okay, here. I'm going to translate it, okay? So you mean to
Okay.
say you here.
bạn đã cải tạo trường học,
Yeah, yes.
Okay. All right. Here, honey, do you like your school? Why?
Yes, of course I like my school. Because everything is my school. I think it's so good. I like my school because every day I go to school, I can meet my friend, a lot of my teacher in the school. I think it's more fun.
Wow, that's so great to hear, and that's cool to hear. Anyway, let's have here the useful vocabularies, honey, and we have here the levels of school. So we
Yeah.
have okay, let's have the first one, honey. The first one is
Kindergarten.
very good. Kindergarten. Okay, what is it, honey? What is
I think
kindergarten? It's school
The
for
kindergarten is school for a little children.
very good. Ages
Right.
usually. What's the
Uh,
usual age, honey?
3 to 5.
Very good. 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 3 to 6. Yes. Okay. It's a school, honey. It's the first. Is it the first school that the children must go, honey?
What?
Is it the first? Is it the first school that the children must go?
I think so. I think this is a first school for like the first school the children go. Yeah.
Is this the first level also that you went to
Mm,
when you were still a kid? If you still remember?
yes.
Okay, that's great to hear, honey. Okay, next one. We have
The next one we have the primary school.
very good. We have the primary school. And what ages, honey, of the children is perfect
Uh,
for the primary school?
6 to 10.
Very good. Okay. Are you from the primary school, honey, before the high school?
Of course.
Of course. Yeah, because that's how your level, yeah, that's the level of I mean, that's the level of the Vietnamese curriculum. How do I say this? School levels. Because in the
Yes.
we have different, our countries has different levels, honey. Before we go to
Oh,
the kindergarten, we have nursery first. We have the nursery, kindergarten, elementary school, junior high school, and secondary school.
oh. Thank you for sharing me.
Okay. Honey, what makes you busy right now? Are you
Oh,
editing something?
no.
Okay. Anyway, let's have the high school. What
Okay.
is high school, Luis?
I think the high school is the school for the like for the children that from I think 16 to 18.
Very good. 16 to 18. How about
Yeah.
12? How
12?
about 12? Yeah. Or 12 years
12,
old
12,
children.
12. I
So,
think about 12 we are in the secondary school, like junior school, high junior school.
huh? Honey, we're talking about the high school now. Yeah. So,
You say 12, 12, like
12
the
years
grade
old.
12.
No, 12 years old.
Oh,
Yeah.
12,
Yes.
12 years old. We are in the secondary school.
Yeah, the high school. Honey, you said high school is for 16 to 18. High
Yes,
school. Yeah.
yes.
How about the 12 years old? The 12 years old.
The 12
Are
years old,
they? Yeah.
they are in the secondary school.
Huh?
Yes, I'm 12 years old. I'm in the secondary school.
Really? So how about
Yes,
the how about the high school? High
the high
school.
school is, huh?
High
High
school, not the
school.
secondary school yet. High
The
school.
high school is for grade 10 to 12.
Yes.
Grade.
What age?
Uh, the age.
Yeah, the age of the children that goes to high school.
I think it's 15 or 16 to 18.
Secondary school.
Secondary school is 11 to 4 or 15.
What comes first, high school or secondary school? What's the first one?
Secondary school first.
The secondary school goes first, and then the high school
Yeah.
is the last one. Oh,
Yes,
wow, I'm so
yes.
surprised. I thought it's the high school and then oh, okay. So that's why it's 12 to 16, and then
Yeah,
16 to 18. I see.
yeah.
But anyway, honey, we don't have enough time anymore. So I will now end our meeting. Thank you so much, Louise, for your time, and see you on
Thank
Thursday.
you too. Yeah.